The idea came from us as consumers looking for activewear that was different, that was stylish, and we couldn't find that from the traditional sports stores.
Raise Foundation is a non-profit organisation and we improve the lives of young people who are facing profound challenges.
We want to make sure we get the best beer to market that we possibly can, and so we can turn up to any pub and have a beer and enjoy it.
And we're redefining how customers can find the perfect fitting clothes and how they look at their body.
So in our first month, we sold 17 kilos of our product. Last year, 9 years later, we sold 70 tonnes of our product. Our business is built around innovative thinking, and that's really what's driven us forward.
The culture of innovation in our workplace is encouraging our team members to have an entrepreneurial spirit.
And it enables you to push the boundaries, also to bring different ideas to it.
We got together, we got in a room and we started brainstorming. And then what we've managed to create is an Australian product that's built by Australian innovators and deployed in Australia.
Stylerunner is home to the world's most coveted activewear labels. With over 50 brands to choose from, we've shipped to 84 countries around the world.
Big breweries really talk about full-time equivalent employees and how many litres of production they get per employee. We're up towards 300,000.
You know, we're aiming to have revenues of over $1 million this year, and we're on track for that. We wouldn't have been able to do that if we hadn't have been creative and innovative, and our culture is all about that.
Technology is the one reason that we've been able to change things so quickly. I mean, we've launched, as I said, 3 prototypes in literally 1.5 years. Joined-up innovation is about collaborating with different businesses to get strategic solutions that give a win-win-win. It's not about competition, it's about partnerships. Collaboration is the only way to succeed because you can't do everything yourself.
I couldn't have achieved anything that I've achieved over the last 6 years for Raise without the team behind it.
You can now have meetings in real time across the globe in 15 countries at the same time. You can run projects like you've never done, and you can develop things at a speed that no one's seen before.
As we travel around the world, it never ceases to amaze us actually just how innovative Australians are and how well thought of we are overseas.
You're definitely a stronger team together than you are apart.